Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix Beats Solo 3 power button not working. 1. Check the battery. Connect the headphones to a power source using the USB cable provided by the headphones. Check the battery level. Look for the LED indicator. A red light flash means it's time to charge. 2. Clean around the power button. Carefully clean around the power button with a toothpick or a fine pin to remove any debris or obstructions. Fix 3. Check for battery wear. If the headphones have been through numerous charging cycles, their battery life might be diminishing, indicating a need for replacement. Check your warranty or Apple Care Plus for eligibility. 4. Check for hardware damage. If the power button is still not working, hardware damage could be the culprit, especially if you have suffered drops or water exposure. 5. Contact Beats support. If the power button is still not working, consider reaching out to the Beats support for further assistance. They can diagnose the issue and suggest the best course of action, which may include repairing or replacing the headphones.
Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.